Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer, and today I will show you how to hide photos on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. This is very simple. Just make sure you watch this video until the end and follow all the instructions that I show you in it. If you want to know more tricks about iPhone, make sure to subscribe to this channel. To hide any photo or video, the first thing you are going to do is go to the Native Photos app. In the Photos app, go to an album. Now you are going to select all the photos, images, or videos that you want to hide. Once all the elements have been selected, tap on the Share button. This menu will be displayed, and here you will choose Hide. All the photos or videos you have selected are now hidden, so they will not show up in the album. In order to view these photos or recover them, you are going to do the following. Go to the album section. You're going to scroll down and you should be able to see this folder. If the hidden folder does not appear, you will do the following. Go to the Settings and then look for the Photos tab. Here you will find an option called Hidden Album. You are going to enable it. The hidden folder should now be displayed. In this folder you will find all the photos and videos you have hidden. If you want to recover any of these, tap on the Share button and choose Unhide. To hide this folder again, go to the Photos tab in Settings and then disable this option. If you want to continue learning, watch this video and don't forget to subscribe.